No, I think the confusion there was just checking with the umpire around the height of the ball. It was a full toss. That's well under the waist. Australia now are 8 wickets for 347 runs.
Zampa on strike. This goes past the leg stump. It's not going to be called a wide.
Oh, down the ground. That's good. That is really good. Try to throw him off his length. That's what you need a bit more of. Oh, gets it over third man. Another boundary for Imam Ul Haq. Oh, into the leg side. Have a look at it. Oh, that is unbelievable. If he's caught that, they do it so often now. I don't quite see why we have to keep on seeing this. This just looks here, all right, he catches it, it's a good catch here. But at this point here, he's on the cushion, you can see it go in. Oh, I love that shot, that is clever batting. See the little, just gave himself a bit of room, the little step away and then just glanced it.
Oh, he's launched that one. He's hit that right out of the middle. That has been blitzed for 4.
Yeah, he likes it there. He really loves it there.
And that's where he's hit that one. That would have gone for 1. It hasn't. It's gone for 4.
That is a very poor delivery after changing that field. That also brings a 50 for Pakistan.
That's a fine stroke. 1 bounce, that's gone for 4. That's a lovely stroke from Imam Ul Haq. Beautifully picked up.
Yeah, much better. He made sure that he moved more toward offside and got into the right position to hit that back knee on the floor and hitting it beautifully. Massive gap there.
Got underneath that, and he's hit it very well. That's gone for 6. That's a wonderful strike from Imam Ul Haq. He's stepping on it now. That's beautifully played. Terrific stuff.
He's not holding back anything. Good hit.
Oh, big shot. Straight down the ground. That goes all the way. Fakhar Zaman goes to 50.
Some good striking happening right here, Keezy. And well batted, Fakhar Zaman.
Oh, just chipped over extra cover. That's going to race away. Good batting again.
Well, there might have been a discussion.
Oh, how about that for a delivery? A slower ball that actually grips on a pitch that has done nothing all day. All of a sudden, he rips out the off stump of Fakhar Zaman.
Past off spin, and it just holds top of off stump. Pretty excited about that. The Australians, 118 for 1.
Little push down the ground, another 50 for Imam Ul Haq. He's in a bit of touch, this boy.
Yeah, the 50 runs have come off 50 deliveries.
Oh, or you just skip down and just into out it over extra cover.
Simple as that.
Big shot. And it'll sail over the fence. Another 6 from Imam Ul Haq. Splendid hitting by him.
And what a sensational shot that is. Just a drop kick over him and bring it into the fence. Babar Azam with the boundary.
Now that's a bit of a top edge. Where's that gone? Has it gone far enough? Yeah, it has. Gone for 6. Oh, it's into the kitchen.
Into the kitchen. That's a good one, Mikey.
30 overs up, 200 on the board, 205 for 1. There he goes. How good is that? That is sensational stuff. Unbelievable work from Imam-ul Haq. That's his second 100 in simply 3 days. That is quite amazing. Through there. Sweeper employed. Babar Azam's 50. That's his 19th in 1 day as for Pakistan. 120 required. Down the track. High, very high. Might be out, is out. It's a very good catch.
It was a very first, a little bit more flight. The ball sort of bounced a little bit. Just a little swiveled in the hand, the bat, and a comfortable catch. It wasn't really too far away from the boundary.
Goes for 106 off 97. It's a fine, fine knock, this one.
Oh, just lift it up. Lift it up over extra cover. Yo, skips across. That is brilliant batting yet again. He looped it up. He had a bit of courage to try and get it up above the eye line, but that is an outstanding shot. He's just got too much time if you're going to do that. You're going to have to rip it down there a lot quicker and get the direction better. He's got all the time in the world as Babar Azam. He just picks his spot and puts you away. Now you can celebrate, Babar. Now you can jump to the sky. Your 15th ODI 100, and what a time, what a speed to do it in. This has been some innings. The criticism from the first ODI, he has put that to bed.
Just showing the class of himself there. What a performance. Again.
Hacks it and it's gone. So wicket. Babar Azam dismissed. For once, lost his shape.
Just a miss hit. That's all it was. Labuschagne in the right area, to the shock of the crowd. Unbelievable work from Babar Azam. Simply sensational. Trudges off now for 114, 309 for 3. Rizwan goes downtown. Is it out? It is out. Wow, they didn't want that. That's going to just add a little spice.
He comes down, but he's just done in the flight slightly. Goes through with a shot. Not enough timing, not enough power. Goes straight to the man.
Oh, he's cracked that. That's a very, very good shot. That's a big shot. That is an important shot as well.
4 and a 6, and Pakistan now in cruise control.
Slow ball probably. Picked it up beautifully. 6 runs. What a strike that is. That's all but done it. That is a magnificent performance by Kustal Shah. Absolutely wonderful stuff.
Iftikhar on strike.
Here we
This
go.
is it.
Down the ground, there it is. What a victory that is. Magnificent work. Highest successful chase by Pakistan. The first win against Australia since 2017 after 10 defeats in one-day internationals. That has been a brilliant performance by the boys.